Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at another After Effects tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in After Effects. Alright, so what I'm going to show you, there's many ways of doing the same thing. However, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove green screen in After Effects. Now I'm just gonna get the green screen. So this is what I want to use in a project. However, I would like to remove the green screen. All right. So the first step is you have to first select the element that the green screen is on, or select the layer that the green screen is on. The next step, you're gonna go up to effects. You're gonna click on effects. You're gonna scroll right down until you see keying. Once you see keying, you're gonna go right over and you're gonna go straight down until you see an option that says keylight 1.2. You're gonna click on that option. Now we have the keylight option, and this is what we're going to use to remove the green screen. Now right where you see screen color, this is telling you you're supposed to select the color that you would like to remove. So what I normally do, or better yet, you can change the greens. You can try and find the color that you want to remove, right? However, the better way to do it is to use the eyedropper tool. Okay, so I'm just gonna select the eyedropper tool. I'm gonna go right over on the element where I have the green screen, and then I'm just going to sample the color. As soon as I click on the color, as you can see, the green screen removes automatically. Alright, no, this doesn't happen all the time with green screen. Normally you will have a few green screen, pretty much it is bleeding over into the other color, and if you have that, all you would have to do is adjust. Once you adjust this, right, it will take care of any spillage of color that is on the element that you want. All right, so there you go. Now we have an element that we can use to do whatever we want to do. All right, so that is the easiest way to remove green screen in After Effects. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. All right, have a wonderful day.